If you want to share out your files or folders with other people, then you can go around onto the File Explorer right here and then go out to the folder where you want to share out the file from. So in my case, I'm going to go around over here in, let's say, for example, in the tutor2 drive right here. So now what you can do is you can go around over here and let's say I want to share out the folder called videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click over here and then I'm going to click on show more options and then go to properties for this. So once I go around into more properties, you can see sharing is an option. So right now the videos folder is not shared out with other people. So if you were to click on share, you can see that now you have an option to select whom you want to share this with. So I'm just going to go around right here and select everyone right here. So once I select everyone and then click on add right here, press share, what happens is that it'll share it out with everyone. So it says, do you want to turn on network discovery and file sharing for all public networks? So if you want your computer to be discovered, you can press yes over here as well. And now what happens is that this will be shared out with other people. But the shared file will not be accessible if your computer is in sleep mode, or if your computer is turned off, because it directly accesses out the folder. The other user directly accesses out the folder from your hard drive itself. So once you press done, now this becomes shared. So now the other user will be able to go around onto their network right here and access out your computer and access out the file as long as they are on the same network. You can go around right here onto the more option in properties, and you can also go around and adjust out the advanced sharing option right here. So if you were to go around, click on advanced sharing, you can see that this is actually shared out. So if you want to limit the number of to how many people you want to share this with, at the same time, you can limit the number over here as well. You can also go around over here onto permissions right here. And if you want to give them full control, you can see that right now they can they have full control. They can change the files out there. They can read the files. But if you just want them to read out the files, you can go around and then go for deny right here. So let's say you want them to read right here, but not change right here. So I'm just going to go around right here. So let's say you want them to read right here and not change out anything. You can just select the permissions out, as you can see right here. Press apply, then it becomes read only or full accessible according to what you choose. So that is how you can share out the files with other people. So you can see that there's my computer that you see right here. So you can go around and you can see that the other users will be able to see the same thing as we are seeing right here. They can see the video folder right here. They can go around and see the videos right here, but will not be able to change. That is, will not be able to rename or copy and paste out to the folder or delete out files from the folder, because we have set the permission level accordingly. And that is how you can share out files and folders from within Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.